So hopefully I can give you an honest review for this Wuzu from Costco. It's on sale now for 59 bucks. 80 bucks is the original price. This one is 360 pedestal pan. Weight wise, it's and total of pounds, it's 14 pounds. So box wide is about 25 and a half. Height 14 inches. Thick 11/1/4. Let's open it. First you're gonna see it's the manual size of my palm remote. Here's the extension if you want to do a little taller. It's like a egg tray, and that's they put it. Move this one out. When I see this one in a Costco, this one's bubbly. So let's see if this one is shake when we put the long stand there. Remove that one. And this is the first you're gonna see. And that's all the box there. And only in the bottom is the support. So let's open this one and install it. Put this one to the side. Concentrate on this one first. Remove it from the plastic. First, the negative I see this one is a little bit loose. So let's see if this one we can tighten it. Use the screw. And let's tighten it a little bit more. So I think it doesn't change the one that I tell you a little bit loose. So to put this one right, this one is in the back, so you can tell that you're gonna make a mistake. So put it. That's the one I tell you is a little bit wobbly. So hopefully it's not gonna affect the when it spins or it vibrate. So I suggest to read this manual to be safe. Just follow the direction there so that you're in a right pathways when you install this one to be sure. And here's the main part. You can make this one shorter if you want. Just remove this one and put there, so that's the size when you want it to use in a desktop. So here's the main unit, same thing. You see that close attention. Put it in the back. Drop it. And it's locked. To unlock it, just press the one in the behind and you can unlock it easily. Put it back again. So it sit there. Nice. Now it's time to put it on to the outlet. So the first time negative that I see is I tell you it's bubbling, it's shaking, it's not stable. So hopefully when you spin, it's not gonna vibrate or like move this one. So let's go inside and put this one in the outlet. And to release it, to remove it, just press this one, and it's quick. This one is quick detach. That's the good there. And pull this one out to remove the film there, plastic one that it's sealed to make it clean. And there's a handle here too if you want to lift it, move it around. To give you some idea too, that you can tell this give you a lot of wind when it's blow. because the blades is deep. You can tell that. And this panel, you can turn it on so that you can get all the adjustment there, power, what speed, how many hours. Child safety, you need to remove this one before you put it in, and make sure this one in the left side for the outlet when you insert it, for the child safety too. Let's grab it and put it inside. So exactly height from ground all the way to the top, exactly 40 inches high. And one of the positive there, instead of putting the wire here sometime in the unit, they put there so you have a plenty space to have extension. Compared to the other electric fans, they put in a head, so that's why it's a little bit shorter sometimes. And this one's always on here if you want to put some powers there. Shut it up. On again. Shut it up. And there's some warning there. And this one, some information too, name, brand, model. So I gave you power back look. So that's the best place that you put. I put it in my living room so that it circulates all around the house. And if you want to clean it, there's a screw there, 3 screws. And you can do whatever cleaning that you want to do. And in a plug, there's some safety there. There's a fuse there that you need to remove in case this one stops working. Just change the fuse there. This one. And the reason why this one is high and this one is low, so that when you look up, this one is visible to your eyes. That's why that one is misaligned. It's not even. And the sensor is right here. And the power is there. So when you use the remote, you need to be aim down, not aim up, because the sensor is there. I just show you. And they have certain distance before this one is work, not too far, not too close. And this remote hold CR25, you can see this one mostly in the store. And remove this to make this one work. You remove this plastic tab. And let's see if this one's power up again after that removing. So it's work. So now it's in a regular revolving left and right. It's not do some 360. If you want to adjust the angle, so it's up to you what angle you want, a little bit up or a little bit down, but that's the normal when you use it as when this one's revolved, left and right. And if you want to do the 360, just press this ones once. So they're gonna give you a complete, see? And then when you want to be a little bit up, press this one again. So it's rotate a little bit up. So now it's in angle. And you want to do the swing, just press this one again. So stop, press again, and it rotates again. So you can do whatever adjustment you want on this pen. And if you want to do the normal to get you the right angle of the pen, you just wait until that one is the one desired position that you want. This is the one I do, I show you. Wait until the one is lined up and press the stop after that. So let's wait until it goes to you line up to the base. See, let's wait. So there, align, stop it, and then make this one press, and now it's revolved in a exactly angle of the base. And the number one I noticed, this one is very clever design. Have you see that sign of music? If you click that one, the one is gonna be happen. When it turns to the left, it give you a little bit, it give you brace. And it's like stop, but it still keep going. But it's a light spin. So that's a very good design. And if you want to back to normal, click again another one. That one is the moon. There. So now is normal mode. That they're not gonna give you a silence after that. Not like before, it's like stop. I think the use of the one, if you have a sensitive of sleeping, that's why I gave you a quiet spin. That's a number one good design. And 100% control of this pen, you can use this remote. And most of the pan, the one who is spinning is the head, the electric pan unit by itself. This one, this post is the one to like spinning. That's a good design there too. You can see this is the one that it moves. And now I'll show you how to use the unit without this remote. You can do manually, put this one in the power. And then if you want to do the time, just go the positive, 1 hour. That one, that's the speed until 12. So if you want to reduce it, it's just press the negative. And then this is the 360 rotation. It rotates there. If you want to stop the rotation, you can just press this one again. It stop. And if they want to do the swing, you can press the swing. It swings. So it stop rotating there. So but it swing. So I already tell you how to adjust the angle you want. And if you want to stop it totally, you can just press this one again. It's disappear everything there. So you're not gonna see nothing there. And here's the quiet mode. Just press that one. If you see that music sign, it means quiet. Press it again. That's the, if you're sleeping too. The other star is the regular spinning. So far, I think I already show you everything. This one has a 5 years warranty. Hopefully this one is last. I think I already show you everything. And in the back, it says 5-year warranty. So hopefully this one is last at least 5 years. And in case this one, it broke when you used it, you can call them to give you after warranty. Just keep the receipt. So far, I like it. I suggest to buy two if you want. Before this one, it's $79.99. Now it's $60 plus tax in a Costco. So avail the one while this one until supply lasts. And I'm not the part of this company. I just want to show you how this one's work, and I give you honest review. The only negative I see now is the wobbling base, but other than that, all positive for me. So I already put it in a regular, how this one it works. So just line up to the base. It's revolving, but it's not doing some 360. It's like I use a regular electric fan. It's very quiet operation that the one it says in a box. I think that's all, folks. So if you want to ask something, just message me down below. And I think that'll be it. And thanks for watching. Until my next one. See you later again. Thanks for watching and thanks for stopping by. I'm out. Goodbye. Thanks. Peace all.